My dear friends, welcome to Rajashekhar classes on ethical hacking. This is lecture number 42. In this lecture, we will try to understand interaction between Kali Linux and Metasploitable2. Before understanding this particular lecture, I request you to go through my previous lecture, that is lecture number 41. The IP address of Metasploitable2 is same as IP address of Kali Linux. It means VirtualBox is allocating same IP addresses to both of the machines. That means we cannot access Metasploitable2 from our Kali Linux. Thus, we cannot do any practice in this mode. To change the networking mode, what we have to go, just go to our VirtualBox where you can find operating system. Which operating system? There is Kali Linux operating system. Click on Kali Linux operating systems and go to settings, isn't it? After just click on settings, if you click on settings, again you have to go to this particular option, network. Now you have to choose, just if you click network, you have to choose a mode. There is an option, you will get an interface where you will get attached to. Here you will get a drop down list from which you have to select bridged. You have to select bridged adapter mode. Bridged adapter mode. After that, after selecting, just say OK. Networking mode. Once if I did this, what does it mean? I can say networking mode of Kali Linux has been changed to bridged adapter mode. Now let's check the IP address again. The IP address of our Kali Linux has been changed to bridge adapter mode. Now let's check IP address. How can I check? if config. Once if I type that particular command, what IP address I am getting? 10.45.30. I am getting 187, isn't it? Let's repeat. We will repeat the same process for Metasploitable2 machine as well. To first turn off the PC related to Metasploitable2. Change the network setting. Just select Metasploitable2. Just see it is in power off mode, isn't it? Just see in power. Change the network setting to bridge adapter mode. How will you do it? Just click on settings. Once if you click on settings, what will you get? If I click on settings, I will get attached to. There will be different options you will get, from which I will select bridge adapter mode. Now after selecting bridge adapter mode, now I must say OK. Now let's check the after clicking the OK, what you have to do? Just select Metasploitable2 machine and just click on start. Once if you start, this Metasploitable2 machine will start, from where you can check IP address. How can I check IP address? We know the process of checking config. Just what IP address I will get? I will get 10.45.31.223. Isn't it? I will get this particular IP address. So both the operating systems has got different IP addresses. That's important. Now check the connection between two PCs. How can I check the connection between two PCs? Just what I have to do to check the connection between two PCs using ping command. Just I must type just this one. What I have to type? Ping 10.45.30.187. From where? From Metasploitable2. Metasploitable2, isn't it? Now from Metasploitable we will get response. Just see, we are getting responses. So we are getting responses for same thing. what you have to do, same procedure. You can just go to Kali Linux and type from Kali Linux. Just if you go to Kali Linux and type ping 10.45.31.223. This is Metasploitable2 IP address from Kali Linux. If I type this is from Kali Linux, I will get responses. What does it mean? Now these two operating system, these two machines can interact with each other. Which two machines can interact? Your Kali Linux and Metasploitable2 can interact with each other. Just go through this particular lecture, how one can change the settings to bridge adapter mode. After that, one just check IP addresses and check, just ping just write ping command from Kali Linux to Metasploitable2, Metasploitable2 Kali Linux, so that you will get responses. I will continue my discussion. Just I am being go through this particular lecture. If you have any difficulty, please keep a comment. Thank you very much.